Let's learn how to deactivate an Instagram account. If you want to deactivate your account but don't know how, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app. When you open Instagram, you'll be on the home page, but you don't need to be there. You need to be on the page where your profile is located, and you can access this page by clicking on the profile option in the bottom right corner. When you open that page, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. When you click on that, the settings page will open with many options. From all these options, you need to click on the option at the top, which is the Account Center. When you click on that option, a page with more options will open. On that page, you need to click on the option in the Account Settings section, which is Personal Details. After clicking on that option, a page with 4 options will open. From these 4 options, you need to click on the last option, which is Account Ownership and Control. When you click on that, a page with only 2 options will open, and you need to click on the Deactivation or Deletion option. When you click on that, a page will open where you need to select the account you want to deactivate. Now a page will open where you can choose what you want, and for this tutorial, you need to select the Deactivate Account option. When you select it, you need to click the blue button Continue. When you click on that, you will be asked to enter your account password. After entering the password, a page will open where you need to select the reason why you want to deactivate your account. After selecting a reason, scroll down and click the blue button Continue. When you click on that, a page will open where you need to click Deactivate Account. When you click on that, you will successfully deactivate your account. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.